You want to change the default text setting in Gmail. You might want to make the text larger or smaller or change the color. Well, you're in the right place. Let me show you. Look under the gear icon in Gmail and click on Settings and see All Settings. There you'll find the General tab. Scroll down till you find Default Text Style. Now, one unique thing you need to do is you need to clear all of the formatting from the existing default. Then you can select whichever font you choose from Gmail's limited selection of fonts. You can adjust the font size and you can adjust the color should you choose to. The last thing you need to remember to do before you finish is to scroll down to the very bottom of the page and make sure you click on Save Changes. If you don't save the changes, there will be no changes saved and everything will be as it was when you go to compose a new email. But if you have saved your changes and made them, then your new font will be available next time you create an email. It is just that easy. Well, I hope that we've helped answer your question, and if we have been helpful, then a like would be greatly appreciated. Make sure you check out our other videos here at Dottotech. Till next time, I'm Steve Dotto. Have fun storming a castle.